Hello friends, Matt here with Donik Requiescat. Please subscribe and share with your friends. And today we're going to be talking about this philosophical quandary called the ship of Theseus. The basic idea is this. Theseus had been the founder of Athens, and there was a legend that the ship sat in the shipyard and it was kept there as a memorial of the great things that Theseus had done. But over time there were parts that needed to be replaced, so they took the parts, they replaced them, and they put the parts somewhere else. And then eventually, the entire ship had been replaced. But then they took all the old parts that had been taken off because they had saved them, and then out of them, they assembled a ship. And now the question is, which ship is the original ship? In The Pig That Wants to Be Eaten, the author imagines this as a thief who goes into a museum and he doesn't know which one to steal because, one is built out of the original parts, but it was assembled later, and the other one was put together out of new parts, but parts that were being replaced from the original one. So which one is the original ship? All right. Now, let's ask ourselves about what makes a particular thing, especially a non-living thing for now. Let's take, for example, a chair. Right? The thing that makes a particular chair that particular chair is the material that it's made of. And then if we take it apart and put it together again somewhere else, it's still that particular chair because it's made of those particular materials. And so with the ship, even though the ship made of the original parts had been built over time and separately, that's still the original ship because it's made of the original material. The other one is made of new material, and so that would be a replica. And so it all boils down to what is the nature of that kind of thing. And since it's a materially based thing, then that's what makes it what it is, the particular material that it's made of. We see an example of this when people talk about cars. We get a car and then we replace some of the parts, then that car is no longer the complete original because some of the parts have been replaced, right? We say, well, it's not completely original because it has some new parts. It doesn't have all of the original parts. The question comes up at this point then, what about humans? Because for us, during our entire lifetime process, we are losing material and gaining material, right? All the material in our body is replaced after a matter of 7 to 10 years. And so then, are we still ourselves, right? Which is the original us? Even over the course of a lifetime, right? A baby weighs 7 pounds, and an adult human being has gained a lot of mass. So is that not part of the original? Well, a human being is the kind of thing that exchanges matter with nature. It's not the kind of thing that depends on having that particular material to make it what it is. Right? All living things are this way. This is the whole process of nutrition. Any living thing, by the nature of it, does not depend on having particular molecules and being made of that particular matter, because it is the nature of that thing to have this exchange with nature of material throughout the course of its life. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends.